soon. Oh, fuck me. Finish them soon. Soon. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go pass out. I'm not okay. I'm gonna go pass out until tomorrow. Early morning, because I'm babysitting tomorrow. We'll do Battlefield 5 tomorrow. I'll remember to do my drivers. Yeah. Wait, oh shit. Shut up, chat. That was a silent one. I'm trying to hold them in. You guys don't believe me. It's not working. Fucking hell. Am I okay? Not okay. I need to go sleep. Ah! I have one, it didn't work! Are we safe? No. That's a no. What is happening? Help me. Someone photoshopped the new actor for the Witcher series in the bathtub scene. With Geralt. It looks kind of funny. Not sure. Is it Twitch friendly? I saw CGI. I saw that meme. Alright, you know, I'm just gonna go. I'm trying to find someone to host, but I can't concentrate with these fucking hiccups. If you guys are looking for something to watch, just jump into my Discord. I'll have a look who's streaming in the Discord. Or go check out Team Kitty. Plenty of girls that live probably. Do I not have a Team Kitty command? Are you serious? TK!